Hi, I'm Andy, and I'm retired. At least I'm supposed to be. When my wife and I met with our accountant to file our tax returns, I asked him how the new federal income tax program will affect us. He said our taxes would be going up substantially. I was shocked. You see, I've been in business all of my life. One of the businesses I had started was a tour and travel business from the basement of my home. 5 years later, I had 22 offices across New England, 6 were franchised, 21 deluxe motor coaches, and a staff of over 130, including drivers, tour conductors, and reservation agents. What I learned before granting my first franchise was that the secret to a franchisee's success and ours was producing an operations manual which spelled out in a step-by-step format exactly what they had to do to be successful financially. Now, in our retirement, I was faced with going back to work or starting my own traditional business. I decided to go another route by becoming an online digital marketer, better known as an affiliate marketer. To be honest with you, I dabble with online marketing, as you probably did. And to be brutally honest with you, I spent a lot of money listening to self-proclaimed internet gurus, so you can understand my hesitancy to jump back online. Being sucker punched with higher taxes on our retirement income, I needed a path to success, a formula to make money online beyond the internet geniuses flashing checks at me on their sales page or bragging about how they've gone from living in their car on Tuesday, by Wednesday night they were in their brand new beachfront palace. No, I needed honesty. And knowing the value of a step-by-step operations program, that was an absolute. I literally stumbled on a Clickbank University video. But before I even clicked on the link to watch the video, my mind raced back to one of the online courses I bought promising big bucks as a Clickbank affiliate marketer. The only one who made big bucks with this bogus deal was the clown selling it. Okay, I did click on the Clickbank University video link. What impressed me the most about the presentation was the candor of the young guy presenting. Perhaps equally as important was the blueprint Clickbank University offered. This was exactly the step-by-step pathway I was seeking. I joined immediately. The training is nothing short of revolutionary. The strategies they developed and shared blew me away, as I had never come across anything remotely like their techniques for mastering digital marketing, which I knew I could do, and it would lead to a side income as a ClickBank online marketer. There's a direct link for ClickBank University in the description below this video. Watch their video. It's the same one I watched. What have you got to lose? A few minutes of your time? What you have to gain? A blueprint, an operations manual to succeed online. Thanks for watching and hoping for your success.